I'm going to do a real quick demo here over top of one of the photographs you could choose to work from. Make sure you're watching the video of me with the Sharpie. It's harder for me to do the area first type of drawing that I want you to do in Photoshop. I'll do my best, but the Sharpie's more helpful. Anyways, when we get an image like this, I don't want you to like sketch the image out first. I know I make a big deal about always sketching things out first, but for the purpose of this assignment, I'm really trying to get you to focus on the shapes in between stuff. So as I do this image, I'm just going to start coloring in just one shape. And then I would go ahead and go to the next shape. With these little tiny spokes, this is pretty difficult. Notice that I'm not going around the shape though, drawing it out like that. That's perimeter first, and then filling it in. Like, yeah, I'm gonna have to go and be careful as I come up on this shape here to get it nice and clean. But I'm trying to color in the shape, focus on area first. When shapes overlap, like right here, I'm not going to go and separate them out. Because when objects overlap, I should say, I'm not going to separate these things out. What I would do is I would just color in this shape here. I would color in this shape here. Color in this shape here. Color in that shape. And color in this shape here. And pretty much just leave everything else. If you're going in and making the lines in between things, you're thinking too much about the objects and you're not seeing the negative spaces. Alright, I'm not going to complete this drawing, but this is basically, should be a cleaner version of this type of thing. We'll go ahead and finish up this. Alright, so again, I'm not like doing a line here to separate that shape out. I'll just let them bleed. I'm not doing a line here to show where the bike handle comes through. This is all just going to merge in. And it will just be one big white blob for a second. Okay, so that remains white all the way through. And this would be like white up into here, I believe. So that's the approach that we want to take.